What goes into the assessment of the early stage companies? What signals tell you a startup can actually integrate into the peers' workflow, the data standards, the outcomes, the compliance readiness that a peer would be looking for?
Yeah, that's a good question. I think to start, the most important piece is having data to prove that their product or their model works. I think at a baseline, there are companies very early that are trying to prove out next generation care delivery models or other capabilities that unfortunately are based off of early investors saying that yes, this works. And when we talk to our stakeholders at Care First, it's really critical to them to see a playbook that can actually work in the local markets, and also a deeper understanding of what Care First market dynamics are from a local provider and even payer lens at times, and how this external partner could fit in or solve for challenges that have been tricky in the past. And beyond that, I think ROI is something that comes up a lot. We talk about ROI. It's thrown around at panels at conferences like Health, and ROI can mean a few different things. But when you look at it from a payer lens, I would say ROI should have the most conservative definition there of actual published evidence that shows either like cohort based improvements or other forms of evidence, either with other enterprise partners that can actually prove out impact year over year, and not something that's anecdotal from what a health plan leader said or what even a patient said about their experience. And so that's another place that we really drill down as investors, but also in partnership with Care First to make sure that those solutions are ones that we feel really confident putting in front of, whether it's our national accounts or even our offering directly to our members.